Alright, so I just bought a new saw blade for my table saw, and with that I bought a new saw blade for my miter saw. For the miter saw, I bought the Diablo 12-inch ultimate polished finish 100 tooth. Now I didn't have problem with the DeWalt OEM blade. I thought the finish was fine. I thought I always wear some sort of hearing protection when I would use a saw, so I didn't have any disagreements with the sound level or anything. But one of the claims is that it's quieter and that it gives a 220 grit finish. So with this video, I'm going to be comparing the sound level difference, if there is any, with a decibel sound level meter, and then I'm going to compare the finishes with the OEM blade and this blade. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to do a test cut with the DeWalt blade, and then I will switch out the blades and do a test cut with the Diablo blade. With my previous test with the table saw, I used the Harbor Freight 2 horsepower dust extractor system. With this one, I'm using a shop vac, a DeWalt 10-gallon HEPA filter. So the shop vac is much louder than the Harbor Freight dust extraction system. So the sound level on the shop vac might overpower any sounds that the miter saw might make, but we'll see. All right. Yeah, the finish on the OEM blade, I had no problem with. I mean, it is smooth. I could glue that right now. All right. Well, I'm going to turn off the power and then switch out the blades and see what the comparison is like. This was the blade that was on it. 12-inch, 60 tooth, construction, fine finish. It was provided with a saw. I didn't have a problem with it. I'm just changing it out because I guess I like red saws. Now I've had the Diablo before and I didn't have any trouble with them. I like them. I mean, the difference before was like, it was a noticeable difference, just tactily. I just want to let you know that was like the third time I did that step. Previously, I've never changed a saw on a miter blade before, or a miter saw before, but that's my third iteration for this video. All right, so let me plug it in and let's do the last test cut. I would say it's the cut quality is about equal to the OEM blade. I'm still glad I bought the saw blade. I just like having the same types of blades for everything. So maybe it's just my technique. I mean, I see a little bit of saw mark right here, but the cut quality seems to be the same. All right, I don't know what type of sound level difference it was. I wasn't able to see the readings while I was sawing. I'll take a look at the video later and see if there was any difference. To my ears, there wasn't any difference. Sound level sounded the same to me. Yeah, well, I guess that's it. Hey, this is my second YouTube video. If anybody tells you that being a YouTuber is easy, it is not. Maybe next time I'll have a script. But it's a lot of work. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully subsequent videos in the future will be better, more interesting, a little bit more professional. But I thank you for sticking by me and watching it through. Thank you.